Hi, I'm Sergeant Amy Lynch with the Fredericksburg Police Department. The Fredericksburg Police Department and Mary Washington Healthcare are working together on a project for car seat safety and passenger safety. This is a forward-facing car seat. It has a level system that you can use to make sure that the car seat is level for the car that it's being installed in. It also has the lower latch system, and you can listen and you'll hear it snap in. And it's going to latch in on both sides. You're going to use your body weight and push down on the car seat and pull up on this strap to make sure that it's secure. When pulling up on the strap, you want to make sure that you pull in the same direction that the belt is flowing. Once it's secure, you're going to make sure it's adjusted properly and straight in the car. It also has a tether system. This comes from the back of the car seat, and you're going to feed it under the headrest to the trunk of the car. And at the trunk of the car, there is another hook that it hooks to. The tether comes through the headrest, and down here you can see the universal picture for a car seat and the tether system. You then hook it to the bar, and you're gonna pull. Making sure it's secure enough. Once you've pulled your belts so that they're tight, you can check your level system here and make sure that it's between the two lines that it indicates. And then what you'll do is you'll pull at the belt path, which is located right here. And as long as the seat doesn't move more than an inch, you're good. So right now I'm pulling on the belt path and the seat's not moving, which means that the seat is secure and safe for the child to ride in. If you have two children in car seats, the younger one needs to be secured behind the passenger seat and the older child needs to be secured behind the driver's seat. The Fredericksburg Police Department offers car seat inspections on Tuesdays and Thursdays between 8 a.m. and noon. We also offer them Monday, Wednesday, and Friday by appointment only. When you arrive at the police department, please make sure you have your vehicle manual, your car seat manual, and your car seat ready to go.